Hi team, welcome back. In previous session we have seen how before and after method works. Okay, now we will see how the before class and after class will work. Come on to the Eclipse. Now just create a one class and I'm naming it as a test case 6. Okay, it is a very simple plain class. Let's add a one test and the rate of test and public void, let's say verify some login functionality here. Okay, I'm just printing out it. Cool. Let's run this. We know that this particular test will be executed and it will be printed out. Okay, cool. Now what we will do here is we will add before and after class. Before class. Okay, public void before class, let's say, and this is a before class. Let's go for system out.ln and inside before class. Okay, now similarly we'll add after class also. After class. Okay, public void after class. Now print it. Okay, I'm saying inside after class. Okay, now we simply execute this. Now let's say the output. Okay, so it is saying that I'm inside a before class and verified login and after class. Okay, so how it is executing? The first it is executing before class, then it is executing test, finally it is executing after class. Okay, now let's see how it works. Till now we are not configured how it will works. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just adding one more test. Let's say how it will behave here. I'm simply saying as a logout. Now I'm having the two tests. One is for login and one is for logout, and before and after class. Now let's execute this. See what is the output here. It is saying that before class and your tests and after class. Clear? So how these are executing now? These are executing with respect to your class. Okay, so before and after class, before and after class will execute with respect to class here. Okay, so uh, it does not related to test, which is like in your before and after methods. Okay, it execute only once for your class. Okay, so before starting your class, before class will be executed. After finishing your class, after class will be executed. If your class contains, let's say, 10 tests, first starting your class, before class executed, and all the tests will be executed. After finishing your class, after class will be executed. Clear? So what is the behavior of before and after class? Before class will trigger before starting your class. After class will trigger after closing your class, means at the time of finishing your class execution at the end. Clear? Now see what is the behavior if I add before and after method to this particular class only. Now see here, this is my class which have two tests. Okay, login and logout test, and I'm given the before class, after class. Again I'm given before and after method. We know that before method and after method will execute with respect to each and every test. We know that before class and after class will execute respect to your class. Okay, now we will see the priority, which before execute first, which after execute last. Okay, okay, now let's take this to output, and I simply output here. Okay, now let's see here. Before class executing the first means before class has more priority compared to the before method, and before method your test, after method again before method your test, after method finally after class, means after class having the more priority. Clear? So now you are clear, right? Before and after class execute with respect to class. Okay, and before and after methods will execute with respect to at the rate of test methods inside class. That's it. Okay, fine. These 2 points we have learned now. Okay, fine. Now let's see what is the behavior if I execute multiple test cases at a time from my TestNG.xml file. I'm including my newly created a class called test6. Okay, so this particular test file contains before and after method as per our previous sessions, and this particular class will contain before and after class as well as a before and after method. Okay, just we created now. Okay, and these are normal classes which contains only at the rate of test. Let's execute this total suit file. See, this is the output. Okay, when we print this output and see how it look like. See, these are the simple test. Okay, verified up to this. These are the our old classes test 1 2 3 4, which does not contain any before and after annotations. Clear? Only test. Now this is a one class which have only before method and after method. Okay, so this is a class which consists of before and after method and before and after method and before and after method. Now this class contains before class, then before and after methods, again before and after methods, and finally after class. So what is here? Before and after class also having the scope related to that class only. If you executed 10 classes, only one class contains a before and after class, it will execute only for that particular class. That's it. Clear?